Alright guys, today we're featuring a 2015 BMW X3. It's jet black in color. It's got 29,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner and it's still covered under factory warranty. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around on it. The first thing we notice right here in the front, it does have the front park assist. It also has the rear park assist as well, and I'll show you that when we get there. We'll go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. As you can see, everything's in great shape. Okay, we'll come across the back of the vehicle. It does have the rear park assist and the rear backup camera. Okay, no problems back there. Everything's in immaculate shape. Come down the passenger side of the vehicle. Not a scratch, not a dent. This thing's in mint condition. 29,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. It is equipped with brown leather. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the driver's seat. Power driver's seat. Okay, it's got a memory driver's seat. The leather's in great shape. No issues at all. It looks like it's in mint condition. Okay, it's only got 29,000 miles on the vehicle. Passenger seat also is in great shape. Okay, it has also got two keyless fobs. Nice big dual panel sunroof. Okay, go ahead and show you the transmission. It's got the Sportronic transmission, Sport and Eco Pro steering and suspension options there. Hill descent control, rear park assist, front park assist. Really nice wood grain trim. Dual climate controls, heated seats. Okay, and there's your screen right there. It's going to have your backup camera and everything, and I'll show you that in a minute. Push button start. Alright. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth steering wheel audio controls. Alright, here's your dash display. I'll go ahead and put it in reverse, let you see the backup camera. Alright, as you can see that there. Really cool feature. It also has the sonar diagram right there for you to see. Okay. Alright, and everything right there at the console or the dash right there is controlled with your control panel here. You can hit menu. Alright, it'll bring your screen back up. And to control this, alright, and to go through all your options, you just turn the knob right here. Really cool feature. You can go back to menu. You can get to the telephone there. Audio controls. Really cool feature. Alright, go ahead and give you your mileage. It's got 29,645 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, the leather back here is in great shape as well. Really like that saddle leather. Really cool brown color. Alright, but everything back here is in great shape. Alright, and I'm going to kind of lean in here and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout here. But the black and brown combination right here is really sweet. Alright, 29,000 miles on this BMW. Let's go ahead and take a look back here in the hatch. Really nice hard plastic tray to cover the floor back here. Alright, it's in really good shape. Really cool, convenient slide out right here. Covers anything you got back there going Christmas shopping. Alright, groceries, whatever. Alright, and that conveniently just slides back in there. Plenty of room back here. I'll go ahead and slide to the side so you can see the depth there. Alright, and it is also equipped with the power lift gate as well. Button for that, you just engage the button. Nice and smooth. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the front passenger seat. Alright, power passenger seat. Alright, leather's in awesome shape. Okay, give you a shot of that. Let you see the dash and the layout from this side. Alright, as you can see, everything is in immaculate condition. It's been well taken care of. Alright, it's got 29,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty. It's also equipped with 18-inch alloys. Alright, the tires are in great shape. I'll give you a shot of that. As you can see, there's plenty of tread left on them there. Everything looks really good. Go ahead and let you take a peek under the hood here. Alright, it's equipped with a twin power turbo. Alright, so this thing will really get up and go. Alright guys, once again, this is a 2015 BMW X3. It's got 29,000 miles on it, so it's still under factory warranty. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. Alright, this thing is almost like brand new. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.